Hey, welcome to the Router Workshop, and this is Rick Rosendahl, the host of the Router Workshop. And it's been a long time, a little over 20 years ago since we built it, and last one was in 2004, so not quite 20, 18 years. So anyways, we're going to look at the opening today and go through what it took to make that happen. We built that in mid-1994 we started, and it took about 3 months total to finish it. And when we did the production of the show, the first series, we took captions out of the series and put them into the show itself, so that we could have a pretty, I thought it's a pretty good front. Anyways, the back part was built in Winnipeg, and it took about a month. They had to design and build the router from scratch, and then go ahead and route the words out and get it set up. The guys in the front part, the 8 seconds on the front, was built in Vancouver, and those guys had a 386 XT that they were using that was brand new right out of the box. And we thought we had something hot, but a 386 XT is not that much of a computer. Anyways, it took a week to render the 8 seconds, and it took a week to build it. So let's watch the show. And there you go, that's the front, and we watch that all the time on every one of the shows. There's 183 episodes that are going to be used here that we're launching in www.routerworkshop.com, and we're going to have a streaming service, and hopefully you'll join us. And that's it for today. That's a wrap. Talk to you later.